Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we are going to learn about the credit cards. So how does this credit card work? So I am the software engineer currently working at PayPal. So let's start this video. So credit card is just giving you the credit, which is the loan. So they are giving you the loan to spend the money without need to pay any interest for that particular amount around 30 days or the 45 days, which is an interest free period. You don't have to pay any interest for the amount that the banks are going to provide you. So you might have the question that how this particular business works actually, because banks are used to provide a credit card to the customer. If you are opting for a lifetime free credit card, customer is happy in spending the money with the credit card because customer is getting the cashbacks with the credit card, the reward or the reward point, or there are multiple offers that were running in the credit card. How bank is able to provide all this? You might wonder to know that at the end of all this, like after giving the credit cards to the customers, banks are still in the profit. It is the business model of the profitability. How all this works? So what happens is that whenever customer get any credit card, so bank used to provide a particular credit limit depending upon the individual, and the credit limit basically depends upon the experience that you have, if you are doing the job or if you are doing the business. So bank used to see what is the expectation that a person could repay the loan, and that loan is basically the credit limit. So a person who has the 20 years of the experience might have the good credit limit as compared to the person who has recently joined. So that credit limit is actually the amount of the loan that the person can spend in the particular period of the time, example for 30 days or the 45 days, and which is the interest free. So you can spend the maximum amount up to the credit limit without paying any interest to the bank. So whenever the credit card is being given to the customer used to purchase any product from the merchants, either from the shops or from the online e-commerce platform. It could be Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So these merchants are being used pay the higher processing fees when the credit card is being used on these platforms as compared to any other source of payment. So this processing fees is being charged so that it could be paid to the banks who had given the credit cards to the customers. Eventually, this payment fees will be charged up to 3.5%, and the credit card ad maximum for the lifetime free card used to provide a 2% of the cashback to the customers. So in that case, they end up earning the 1.5% of the interest rate from the merchants. How does these merchants agree to pay these higher processing fees to the banks? Because merchants already know if they are going to have the credit cards, if they are going to support the credit card in their platform, then there is a likelihood of the customers, of the more customers used to come, and if any of the customers going to come, they end up purchasing the more as compared to any other mode of payment at their particular shop or the platform. So there is a likelihood of the customer purchasing power because the credit card gives you the purchasing power to purchase the items at any platform. And the merchants already know about it, that if you have the credit card, if they are going to support the credit card, then they end up selling the more items as compared to any platform who don't support the credit card. In this particular model, all three parties are happy. One, customer is happy because customer is spending the money and getting the rewards after spending. Second, bank is happy because bank is getting the extra 1.5%. Third, merchants are happy because they end up selling the more products as compared to before not having the credit card as their mode of payment. Merchants used to have the items because they could reduce their profit margins on their product so that they could send the particular amount of the profit as in the form of the processing fees to these banks. So this is how this credit card works. I hope you really like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel. We will meet. So till then, bye bye.